Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Gonna give you a quick fix in this video on how to make Elden Ring mod engine 2 work. So if it doesn't work for you and doesn't open the game, it's very easy to fix. So minimizing this, as you can see guys, I have two folders. So the first folder is going to be our mod engine folder, and the second one is the folder with your game. So guys, just go to Steam, go to browse your files. After that, it will open the folder with your game. As you can see, for me, it's just in a different location. After that, just copy this eldenring.exe. This is the application file that launches your games. Copy it and paste it into the folder with your mod engine. And after that, guys, when you go ahead onto the internet and find any mods you want, put them in the mod folder and then double click the eldenring.bat. This will make sure to basically launch your game along with all the mods that you have installed, and that's how it works. So basically, if you do not put the Elden Ring executable into the folder with the mod engine, no mods will work. So this is the fix. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Press thumbs up on the video, subscribe, see you in the next one.